Hey guys, if your first thought is why does Lauren look like an absolute fetus, it's because I'm not wearing any makeup, so bare face today. But anyway, I got a package from Sophie and Toffee. I've never actually ordered anything from them, but I've been watching videos since I was little of like all their stuff, and I love doing resin and decoden and all of that. I actually have an account where I post all of that stuff. Here, I'll put it somewhere here. But anyway, I ordered resin, UV resin, and their mold maker, and I thought I would do a video testing them out, but first we're going to open up the package. So here is the package here. It just says, love, life, love crafting. It's really cute. It's like striped, like a violet, purple, lilac, any one of them, and white with gold writing and this little cupcake there. So I'm just going to open it up now. So as you can see, I clearly don't know how to open up the box. I just ripped it because I just gave up. But it's so cute, the package inside. It's got like heart-shaped bubble wrap, which is adorable. I wasn't expecting that at all. And I can see that it has like them little foam puffy things that they put in so it protects it. I don't know what it's called. But I'm just going to take everything out now. Oh no, these are going to go everywhere. Oh, see ya. Yep, bye. Okay. Alright. So here it is here, and I'm just going to open this up, which is tape. Alright, so there's the smell of resin. I smell that, but I'm used to that. That's okay. So here is the UV resin. I got the hard type because I wanted to make more of, like shakers and all of that stuff. But yeah, it basically just says curing time can be 2 to 10 minutes with a UV light, 10 to 30 minutes with sunlight, and 30 to 60 minutes with cloudy weather. And then it has all the warnings down there, and then there is just a barcode, and then it says Sophie and Toffee UV clear resin. Resin clear. Okay. And I got the 100 grams of it. And inside it has their card here. It says, yay, your happy mail has arrived. Thank you for shopping with us. And then here's how you can save more money, blah, blah, blah. See you back soon, love hop. Coolio. And then it just has like information in the bottom which says my address and everything. And then it has more of these little guys. Yes, okay. And then I didn't only just get resin, as I said. I got their mold maker as well. So I'm pretty sure this is it. So it's translucent silicone mold maker. It comes with a part A and a part B. And then it has its instructions there. This is the thing that I can smell. That smells very, very strong. So I suggest if you ever get this, then maybe it's I don't know if it's the package or if it's the actual stuff, but yeah, if you do get this, use it outside. But it basically says mix A and B together with a ratio of 1:1, so in equal parts, and then allow to dry for at least 1 to 2 hours. For best results, allow drying overnight. Food grade, odorless, no bubbles. So by them saying odorless, I'd imagine that it would be the package that's smelling really bad. But I'm going to cut it out of the package, and then we shall see. Okay, yeah, it's the package that just smells like pure plastic. Yeah, okay. These are them out of the package here. They do not have any more bad scents to them, and there's that. So overall, the packaging was very cute. I really liked that they put the bubble wrap in there to make sure everything didn't get ruined, and there's no spills or leak. I heard that some people had problems with the lids not being tightened and all of that stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna go make some stuff with this. Hopefully we can make a shaker, we can make some molds because I have a lot of cabochons. I'm talking really fast, I'm really sorry. But yeah, hopefully this video is not too long, but yeah. Hey guys, I'm back after like 4 hours. I'm pretty sure that took me 4 hours. I used like basically the whole bottle, but anyway, I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts on it. And I'm gonna show you all the pieces that I did make. I made a lot of like the bezels, these types of things. I'll definitely show you these better, but just for now, I'll just tell you what I think. So as I was using it, I don't know if you guys saw, but I was trying to dome these pieces. Maybe I was supposed to get like the soft type of resin to dome. Like I'm thinking that might have been it. Or maybe it might have been the weather because it was really hot today here. But when I started to like put the resin onto the piece, it just kind of like coagulated. Yeah, I think that's the word. Like it just really turned into this type of gummy kind of thing. It was like it was hardening, but it was just hardening very fast. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Like I've worked with UV resin. I've worked with UV resin before, and I didn't get that problem. But that's basically it. The one pet peeve I have about it is just how fast it hardens. Like maybe it could be the weather, it could be because it's a hard type, it could be anything, but I just found it that it hardened just way too fast. I did not have much time to work with it, and I feel like that's what made this way more stressful than it already is, because making resin is very stressful at times. And I'm also going to do like an update of the stuff I've made, but final thoughts on this is that it's a good product, but it's not good. I don't think it's good enough to spend more money on it when you can get like a cheaper version of it on like eBay or something like that, and it's the exact same. It has the exact same smell, it has the exact same texture, but it just hardens not as fast. Like it doesn't take a long time, but it gives you that little bit of time just to work with it. So that's my final thoughts on it. I think it's good. I think the packaging was super cute and thoughtful. I have not tried the mold maker. I'll leave that to another video. But yeah, that's my final thoughts. I may have an I may have an unpopular opinion, but yeah, or I may just be bad at doing resin, you know, that could be a possibility. Either way, I'm just going to show you guys the stuff I have made now. Rough, it's very rough. It just doesn't look that quite good, and when you hold it up to the light, the colors do become more lighter as well, as you can see. A lot of bubbles, and what was happening is that I did the glitter layer and then I did the other layer, but when I did that, it just spilled a bit over the edge. So then I was trying to like remove that, and kind of with that resin I found that you had like this certain time where you could actually just peel it off if you messed up. But yeah, that just didn't work out and I ended up with these bubbles, but I'm planning to just put pearls over them so then I won't be able to see them, but yeah, that's that. This is with normal resin. I made this. I still have to do the top glaze of it because it's looking very matte at the moment, but at the back it's basically just got glitter and it's colored with pearl pigment. This is with the eBay UV resin. This one has not been domed either, that's why it's looking somewhat matte. So I just wanted to show you some of the pieces that I made with the eBay UV resin to give you like an idea of the differences. I'm just trying to find, I literally just had one that I made. Okay, here it is. So this is one of the little bezels that I've made with the eBay UV resin. I think the main difference between the eBay one and the Sophie and Toffee is the Sophie Toffee one is shinier. I think the eBay one is more matte in comparison to them. Yeah, I think that's just the difference. Both of them have a very strong smell, so definitely go outside and yeah, your lungs kind of want to shrivel up, but it's fine. This is another one I did. I think, oh, okay. I think this one is definitely one of my favorites. It's just this little layered cake. And I got these bezels from eBay, just so you know that. And then I made some crystals. I've never made them before, and I decided to give them a go. This is how the first one turned out. It's like a fiery kind of themed. And then this one's more of like, I guess, a galaxy or a dark purple, yeah, you know. There's that one, and then there's this one here. I don't really like these. I'm not a fan of the dark colors, and I don't really like the glitter colors as well. They're quite just, I don't know, I think they look very tacky. And then I have this bow one, which is very simple. I kind of like this one with a pearl. And then this one, the back needs to be sanded, like it really does. And then the front, like, I don't know how this happened. There was just 2 air bubbles here. Like, I don't know if you can tell. It looks so bad, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll work it out somehow. And I found with a lot of the molds, it decided to just randomly separate itself from the mold. Like, this happened a few times. As you can see, it happened here. I promise I waited for it to, like, fully cure and stuff. It just decided to just separate itself, and then it dried very jagged. But yeah, these are basically all the pieces I've made. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't take my opinion too strong, but yeah, thank you guys for